If your remote isn't working properly, this quick guide will get you back on track. First, unplug your Fire Stick from the power source and wait about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in because sometimes a simple restart fixes connection issues. Next, check the batteries in your remote. Remove them, wait a few seconds, and put them back in or replace them with fresh ones if needed. If your remote still isn't responding, you can reset it manually. Press and hold the back button and the right side of the navigation ring together for about 10 to 15 seconds. After that, release the buttons, wait 5 seconds, then press the home button for 10 seconds. Your Fire Stick should now recognize the remote. Another tip, repair your remote. Just go to Fire Stick settings, controllers and Bluetooth devices, Amazon TV remotes, add new remote, then hold the home button on your remote for 10 seconds until it shows on the screen. Finally, if none of this works, try the Fire TV app on your phone as a temporary remote. It's available on both Android and iOS and can navigate, type, and control your Fire Stick easily. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.